Assalamu alaikum class 1 students. I am Miss Sofia and I am your maths teacher. Now take out your countdown book and open page number 100. Write down your classwork, date and day. Today's our topic is multiplication in fours. Bubu the bunny is jumping in fours. Bobo is standing at the 0. When it jumps in fours, he will reach at 4, then 8, then 12, 16 and so on. Now let's see the question number 1. Count in fours and write the missing numbers. In this box, you have many blank boxes. In part 1, 0 blank box, 8 blank box, 16 blank box and then 24. In this box you will read 4 times table like 4 zeros are 0, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20 and 4 sixes are 24. Like this you have to solve all these boxes, blank boxes. Now let's see the question number 2. Count in fours. Color the squares in green. In this box, you will read 4 times table and color the boxes green. Like 4 times 1 is 1, 4 times 2 is 8, 4 times 3 is 12. Like this, you have solved all these boxes and color it green. Now come on the page number 101. Now let's see the question number 3. Write in the boxes. Let's see the part A. In this box we have 4 squares and each square has 4 dots. In this box we have 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 and the next 4 multiplied by 4 is equals to 16. We write here 4 because we have 4 squares and this 4 is 4 dots because each square has 4 dots. Or we can say it, we are multiplication in 4. So we will write here 4. 4 multiplied by 4 is equals to 16. Now let's see the part B. Here we have 5 squares and each square has 4 dots. We have 5 boxes, so we will write here 5 times 4. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. And in these boxes, 5 multiplied by 4. Here we write 5 for 5 squares. And this 4 is for dots because each square has 4 dots, or we can say we are multiplication in 4. So 5 times 4s are 20. Now let's see the question number 4. Multiply and find the answers. Part A is 6 multiplied by 4 is equals to, or we can say 6 times 4 is equals to 24. You can read 4 times table and solve these boxes. Now let's see the part E. How many legs do the following have? Chairs, elephants, tigers and table. We all know that chairs, elephants, tigers and tables have 4 legs. So we will write 5 multiplied by 4, 5 for chairs, and a chair has 4 legs, so we will write here 4. 5 multiplied by 4 is equals to 20. When we will do the next part, we will write here 3 because we have 3 elephants, and here we write 4 because an elephant has 4 legs. So 3 multiplied by 4 is equals to 12. आपने ये तमाम बॉक्सेस खुद से फिल करने हैं। ठीक हो गया। Now come on the next page, page number 102. Now let's see the question number 5. Complete the times table and learn. Now look at the first box. We have one square in it and it has 4 dots. So we will write 1 4 is 4. Or when we write in this box, we will write 1 multiplied by 4 is equals to 4. Or we can say 1 times 4 is equals to 4. Here we write 1 because we have 1 square. And 4 is for 4 dots because a square has 4 dots. Or we can say we are multiplication in 4s. So 1 multiplied by 4 is equals to 4. Now come on the second last part. In this part we have 9 squares and each square has 4 dots. So we will write 9 4s are 36. And when we write like this, 9 multiplied by 4 is equals to 36. Here we write 9 because we have 9 squares and each square has 4 dots. So we will write here 4. Or we can say we are multiplication in 4. So we will write here 4. 9 multiplied by 4 is equals to 36. Now come on toward your homework. This is your school workbook. Now take out your page number 39 of school workbook. Mention your date, homework and day. And let's see the question number 1. See the part E. You will read 4 times table and you will get the answer. 4 5s are 20, 4 6 are 24, 4 7s are 28. 4 8s are 32, 4 9s are 36, 4 10s are 40 and then 44. You can also read or count in 4s. You will add 4 numbers in previous number, then you will get the answer. Like 20 में आप 4 ऐड करेंगे तो आपके पास 24 आएगा. 24 में आप 4 ऐड करेंगे 28. 28 plus 4 32, then 36, फिर 40 and then 44. ठीक है? See the second part. Filling the blanks with less than, greater than and equals to. इन साइंस का तो आपको पता ही होगा ना बच्चों. ये आपके पास लेस देन का साइन है, ये ग्रेटर देन का है और ये इक्वल टू का है. आप लोग ये भी जानते हैं कि ये वाला साइन हम लेस देन के लिए यूज़ करते हैं जहाँ पर टेल होती है. जिस साइड पे मुंह जो है वो उसका फेस ओपन होता है उसको हम ग्रेटर देन के लिए यूज़ करते हैं और जहाँ पे वैल्यूज़ इक्वल होती हैं वहाँ पे हम इस इक्वल का साइन मेंशन करते हैं. ठीक है. नाउ लेट्स सी द पार्ट 1. 15 ब्लैंक स्पेस देन 87. इन दोनों में से कौन सा नंबर जो है वो ग्रेटर है? काउंटिंग में कौन सा नंबर बड़ा है, 15 या 87? Yes, 87 is greater. So we will use this sign. इसी क्वेश्चन में थर्ड रॉ में ये वाला पार्ट देखें. 88 हमने यहाँ पे साइन मेंशन करना है एंड 88 कौन सा साइन हम यहाँ पे यूज़ करेंगे? लेस देन, ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल्स टू. Yes, 88 is equals to 88. So we will write here this sign equals. इस तरह से आपने ये तमाम सॉल्व करने हैं और बड़ा अच्छा सा होमवर्क आप लोगों ने कंप्लीट करना है. नेक्स्ट वीडियो तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़ और अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा.